Hi, my name's Ian from My Pool Shop Melbourne, and I'm here on this glorious Melbourne morning to show you how to clean up a green pool. Now, the pool that we're going to be cleaning up today hasn't been green for very long, only about 2 to 3 weeks, so I don't expect it to give us too much trouble. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. Well, as you can see from these photos, not too much debris on the bottom of the pool. It's mainly just a thin layer of dusty algae on the walls and the floor. Shouldn't take too long to clean it up, and here is the likely cause. The skimmer box is totally clogged with leaves and debris, which is restricting the water flow. The first thing to do is to backwash and rinse a media filter if you have one, or clean your cartridge filter elements if you have a cartridge filter. Then scoop as much debris as you possibly can from the pool and then brush the entire surface, floor and walls. Once we've finished brushing, we're going to add some chemicals. Today we're going to be adding a litre of copper-free algicide, 15 litres of liquid chlorine, about 400 to 500 mils of super shine clarifier, and we're going to put a pool diamond in the skimmer box as well. So we left the pump running overnight, and as you can see from these photographs, it's looking very good 24 hours later, but still quite murky. We left the pump running again for another 24 hours, and as you can see, the pool is starting to look very clear. Well, as you can see, the pool is now crystal clear with just a layer of algae on the bottom of the pool that we're now going to vacuum to waste. It's just a matter of taking your time, trying not to rush it. This type of algae is very fine, therefore it's very easy to disturb it. You just got to take your time, steady as she goes. And there you go, this pool is now looking absolutely sensational. You'd never know it was green just a few days ago. We will post a link to a comprehensive guide in the notes to this video, and if you live locally, why not bring a sample down to the shop and we can help you if you have a green pool to clean up. Thanks very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Why not like it and share it around the socials? We'd appreciate that. And if you're in the local area, why not give us a call on 9758 3777 or pop into the store. We would love to see you there.